Hey, it's Greg Hawks. I wanted to show everybody something that I noticed with Instant Data Scraper that might be helpful. So, Instant Data Scraper is this Chrome extension. It looks like a Pokemon ball. Well, I noticed the other day when I was pulling some information from a directory that not only can you scrape really quick, which it pulls us in pretty quick as far as and I'm looking for this example, I'm looking at physician jobs. So if I was looking for a physician job, for example, I could get a list really quickly. And as you can see, if I scroll down the bottom, there's more than one page of jobs. So say I want to pick up like 5 different pages of jobs. Well, now they have a locate next button. So you can click on this locate next button, click on that, and you see how it highlights green? Well, let's run it, and you can start crawling. And what it'll do is it'll go through the various pages. And now, as you can see, I have 69 rows collected, 85 rows collected. I've got my 5 pages. Oh, it's going, stop crawling, stop. You're doing too good of a job. So you can pull this in really quickly. So if you're looking for any kind of list, you can do this really quick. And it took, as you can see, it took a couple seconds. Let me pull this in. Okay, so yeah, it was just giving me an error because some of the data may not be perfect. But blah, blah, blah. Yeah, sure. So I've got all this information as far as the jobs. So again, if I was a doctor looking for physician jobs and say I don't want the locum positions, just like anything, I can sort this. Let's see, sort this. I'm going to go by job title, which is B. And then I can look at what I'm looking for specifically, just like I do with job seekers. So just wanted to use a different kind of example, especially since there's lots of people looking for jobs right now. This might be helpful to help organize and get you set on the right type of positions. So for example, if I was looking for something in psychiatry, I would go there. If I was looking for something in family practice, right here, these are all locums though. But yeah, like advanced practice provider, things like that. Yeah, so you can do this with any job. You can do this with any list that you find out there, and just organize it. Again, the key to this is locating the next button and then finding what moves the page from page to page. So you don't want to put like 9 or 10, you want to put these buttons here because that will tell Instant Data Scraper to move to the next page and pull in the information. The other thing is, in case you're not familiar with Instant Data Scraper, you might have to change the table to get the information you wanted. It's pretty hit or miss, but in this case, it got exactly what I wanted the first time. But there's a look like a change table or something up here. Sometimes you have to do that because like data miner, which deals a lot with configuration and messing around with the different fields and stuff like that, you might have to change what it's looking at. So, but this is probably the best scraping tool if you're looking for a quick fix. This is what I usually start with, and then I go into like data miner and web scraper and some of the other things that are more advanced. So that's just the tip for the day. I wanted to show everybody this because it's helped me out on several occasions the last couple weeks. And it's just like one of those minor things that really makes a huge difference. So yeah, if you have any questions about it, just let me know. I will be more than happy to talk nerd about scrapers and some of the other things I'm doing with AI. But hopefully that helps.